Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your comments on YouTube. So basically what you have to do is open up your YouTube app, but before I continue with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month if you use my link in the description. So what you want to do is click on the bottom right to open up your profile, and then you want to click on top right on the gear icon. From there, you want to click on manage all history. So you want to tap on that and basically going to go to the top right under interactions. And here you will see comments, likes and dislikes, comments and replies. This issue is comments and replies. You can click on that. And basically you are going to see the comments you have made. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.